Good morning students. In chapter 7 weather and climate we have already discussed about the weather and what are its different elements. In today's class we will discuss about the climate. Meteorologists record the weather at various places every day, and the record of weather have been preserved for the past several decades. These records help the meteorologist to determine weather pattern at a place. Okay, meteorologists, these are the persons who record the daily weather reports, or they are doing study about the weather. The average weather pattern at a place taken over a long period of time, like for 25 years, is called the climate of that place. किसी भी place का जो average weather है, if it is continuously same up to 25 years, then it is called the climate of that place. Students, one difference I want to tell you about the weather and the climate. Weather can change within hour, within minutes. Okay, within hour it can change, but climate, it will not change within hour. It takes years to change. Okay, so here in this climate and adaptations, some animals, they are staying, and what are their different features to survive in this, okay, in this weather, in this climate. So first is about the polar region. Okay, polar region, the area situated near the north and south pole of the earth are called the polar regions. Here there is too extreme cold and it is completely covered with the snow. Okay, for 6 months the sun does not set at the poles, while for the other 6 months the sun does not rise. Okay, in winters the temperature can be as low as minus 37 degree Celsius. Okay, so some are well known countries which comes under polar region is Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, etc. Here some animals are also staying, like penguin and this polar bear. They are having the different physical features. So with the help of these features they are able to survive in the cold extreme conditions. Okay, first one, these polar bears, they have two thick layers of fur. See here, this is the body of polar bear. Their body or their fur is very thick, so they can protect themselves with the help of this fur. Second one, they have thick layer of fat called blubber. Okay, their skin is very thick, so with the help of this fatty blubber they can keep their body warm. Third one, they have white colored fur. Okay, see here, the polar region ice is also white, and this polar bear's color, skin color or hair color is also white. So they are able to survive in this cold condition, and they can protect themselves or hide themselves in the snowy area. Next one is they have a strong sense of smell. Okay, with the help of they can locate their prey and they can fulfill their food requirement. After that they have short ears and tail. Okay, their ears are too short. This prevents the loss of body heat through these parts. Okay, so with this short ears and short tail, the body heat does not go away from their body. They have the long, curved and sharp claws that help them to walk on the ice. They will not go inside the ice, they can easily walk on this, and they are good swimmers. Okay, they have wide paws and the large that help them not only in swimming well but also in walking with ease on the snow. Okay, and they are excellent swimmers, and they can be under water while swimming. They close their nostrils, can remain underwater for long durations. Okay, next animal is penguin. See here, they are black and white color. Okay, and they are also having the thick skin, so it will protect them from the very cold conditions. They all live together in groups. So this, if they are staying together in groups, they keep themselves warm. Each group may comprise several thousand penguins. एक ग्रुप के अंदर 1000 से भी ज़्यादा पेंगुइन्स हो सकते हैं, और इस तरह से ग्रुप में रहने से दे विल फील themselves warm. And they are also excellent swimmers like polar bears. Okay, they have streamlined bodies and flipper like wings, and they are also having, see here, webbed feet. This is webbed feet, the layer of feathers, this is streamlined body, and the blubber for insulation and for food reservation. Okay, this penguin and polar bear, these animals, they can survive in polar regions. Okay, I hope students you understand about the topic. Have a nice day. Thank you.